In this video I'm going to show you how to make some consonant digraph bingo cards. Consonant digraphs are pairs of consonants that have a particular sound like CK or CH or SH, and they are used in phonics when teaching reading. So I'm using a software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen. I click Create New Bingo Card Project, and I have a choice of what kind of bingo cards I'd like to create. I can choose a blank bingo card and enter my own words and choose alphabet, numbers. I can choose events, which include bridal showers, baby showers, birthdays, holidays, which include Christmas, Halloween, Easter, and so forth. Various school subjects, like English, history, geography, languages, science, music, math, and in this particular case I want to choose reading. If I go to the reading tab, I get a choice of templates for various bingo activities, which include sight words, which are words that children need to learn to recognise by sight rather than actually sounding out, and also phonics. And if I scroll down, I find Consonant Digraph Words. There's a list of entries here, and what I do is I select that item and I either double click on it or click on it and then click OK, and I've created my initial consonant digraph bingo card. And now on the left-hand side here is a list of words containing consonant digraphs. So for example, the word bull contains a double L, bath with TH, and so forth. And on the right hand side is a sample bingo card with this list of words in the same order, and options for customizing it. I can also customize the list of words. So for example, if I would like the word chop not to be on the list, I simply select it and I can delete it. And if I would like to add a word, I can type it in. So if I add the word dash, D-A-S-H, I type it in and add it to the list. The initial list is in alphabetical order. Any new items I add will be added at the bottom of the list, but I can rearrange the list back into alphabetical order once I've done that, just by using the sort option. And I can use lots of various options for customizing the list of words here, and changing the order of it and so forth. But let's say I'm now happy with my list of words. Now look at the bingo card. Here's a sample bingo card. The words on the sample are in the same order as in this window. In the real bingo cards, every bingo card will contain a different random combination arrangement of the words. I can customize the size of the bingo card. I can make a smaller one, such as a 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, or even a 7x7 bingo card here. You'll see here I haven't got enough items to fill out a 7x7, so I'd have to enter more words for that. So I'll go back to 5x5 for now, so it's also easy to read on the screen. I can choose whether or not to have this heading on the bingo card or not. I can change what the heading says. So for example, I can change it to say words if I like. I can change whether or not to have the free space on the bingo card, turn it off or on. I can also change the text of it if I wanted to. And I also can change the colours and fonts for the bingo cards. So if I go here and change the colours, I could perhaps change the heading colour. Let's make it a yellow heading. We'll make the squares a checkerboard pattern perhaps of white and let's say pink, and we'll make the free space square a nice green colour, and we'll make the lines perhaps blue, and if I click OK, there's my coloured bingo card. I could keep on customizing it. I can also choose different fonts for the heading, for the squares, for the free space, but we'll say that I'm happy with the appearance. Now ready to print. On the right hand side are the options relating to printing here. First option is whether or not to print a call list. That basically tells the software to print an extra sheet or sheets with this list of words in random order. If you're using the bingo card in a classroom situation, you're the teacher, you're acting as a bingo caller, it can be very useful to have a printed reference to the words that you're calling out. And that's what the call list is. If you don't want it, you can simply turn it off, or you can turn it on, which I will do in my demonstration so you can see what the bingo cards look like. There's also an option which I'll show you at the end of the video for the software to help you choose during gameplay the words instead of using a call list. Okay, continuing with the printing options, I can also choose to print more than one bingo card per page. Very useful for printing a lot of bingo cards, print several on a page, and potentially save paper that way. The advantage is, of course, saving paper. The disadvantage is if I'm giving one bingo card to each player, I might have to cut the paper up. And of course, if I'm printing several per page, each individual bingo card will be smaller. So we'll stick to one for my demonstration. And the third option here is how many bingo cards do I want to print. I can put in as many as I like, between 1 and 9,999. Normally you need the number of students that you have in your class, for example, so I might put in 50 if I had 50 students in my class rather than a large class, but just to show you that it works. And I would now do print. I'm going to do print preview so you can see on screen what the printout looks like. The first page is a call list. That's a list of words in random order, as you can see. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole page, and then I'll go next page and you'll see the first bingo card here. Here we are with the words arranged randomly, selected randomly on the first bingo card, and the second bingo card, and the third and fourth, and so on. All 50 bingo cards are different. If I close the preview, I will now just show you this other option I mentioned called Call Game, which will help you choose items as a bingo caller during gameplay without having a call list. It's an alternative to using the call list. Simply go here to the play menu, click Call Game. Software chooses one word here, displays it on the right hand side, shows the current word here and any previous words beneath it. So when I click next, I get a new current word. King is now the top word and sick is the second word, and so on. As you see, the new words appear at the top of the list on the left hand side each time, and eventually a scroll bar appears, so I can always go back and review what the previously chosen words are. And that's basically it. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. You can download a free trial from bingocardprinter.com. It's compatible with all recent versions of Windows. If you like the software, you can register and upgrade to the full version of the software, which allows you to do everything you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. Both the free trial version and the registered full version include hundreds of templates for bingo activities to get you started. And you can also create your own customized bingo cards on any topic that you like. Thank you very much. So go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial, try it out, see how you like it. Thank you.